Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, we are going to be taking our HTML theme template and we're going to be adding global styles to WordPress. And basically, it won't take very long. All we have to do is just add our changes to theme file or to theme.json file. So let's add that real quick. Hang on just a second. Let me make sure I copy what I have here. Okay, got that. So now let's go to VS Code, open that up, and we have this index.php file in here. We're not gonna actually use this, so let's go ahead and well, first let's change this back to index.html. Let's rename this so our stuff goes back to what it was before. So we'll refresh here and you guys will see that it goes back to what it was before, right? Empty template index. So yeah, now we want to go to edit site real quick because we're going to take a look at the global styles. Let's go ahead and just enter a site title. So what I'm going to do is go back over here. So let's enter the comment, HTML comment. That's the site title. And I believe that's it. Let's see. Let's refresh this. That didn't work. Let's see. Okay, so I had it wrong here. So let me fix this. WP site title. Always remember syntax is everything. So that should work this time. Let's see if it works over here. Okay, we see WordPress local. Let's change the name of the site real quick. DIY web. And save that. Here. Yeah. And inspiring WordPress developers. Yeah, that's the tagline. I might change it. What do you guys think about that tagline? Let me know what you think. Safe haven for solopreneurs and aspiring WordPress developers. All right, so we changed that, and now we're gonna refresh. It should say DIY web strategy. All right, it says that now. And now we're going to copy and paste the code that we have here. So let's switch back to VS Code and add our theme.json file. All right, we got that. And now we're going to paste this code in here. So this is basically all the JSON code for our colors, blocks, borders, typography, and layout, spacing, styles. So we have settings and styles. Those are the two main properties. The appearance tools, that is going to show all of our tools that we need in the editor. The colors, we have a default palette. We have changed the background to true, text to true, link to true, and custom to true. So this is gonna change the editor styles. So matter of fact, while I'm explaining a lot of this stuff, let's go to the other page and take a look and see what all of these things are. So let's refresh, then click edit site. Oh, something's wrong with my yeah, something's wrong with this. So let me refresh again. Okay, so now everything works. Whatever, man. Sometimes I just don't understand it. Okay, so yeah, we got the styles over here. So we got typography. So over here we had background, text, link, custom, and duotone. So we got text and link, as we can see over here on the other side. We got text and link. So the font that we have is DIY Montserrat. That's the font that we wanted when we were working on the HTML file. And if you go back over here, you can see the font is in typography. So we got Montserrat here. And we should also have, where is it at? We should have Lato in here somewhere as well. That should be for the site title though. So that's in settings, and blocks, border, typography for settings. Oh no, it should be in Lato is in styles. So here we go. Lato. So that should be in styles. Yeah. So we got all the styles down here. So these are like your global styles, global elements that you're going to be using. So let's go back over to the editor and let's see. Let's take a look. So for link, we got default is Montserrat. We have our size defaults. We got all of our appearance defaults. Let's click on this here. We should have for the block, for text. So we got pale pink. For the theme, DIY primary. Let's see, background, DIY primary is there. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, here. Font family. There's Lato right there. For decoration, let's see what we got here. Can we change all this? Yep, we can change all of our pixel, our units of measurement. Okay. So that should be pretty much it. We got one more thing that we have to check out. Here, let's add a paragraph real quick. So now that we have the text, now we got all of our DIY gray, 400, 500. We got all of our custom colors in there now. What's this? Yeah, these are still our DIY grays, DIY primary, the accent, DIY success, DIY info, DIY warning, and DIY danger. I might have to change these. Maybe just this one. And then, let's see. We'll keep that the same. So this one and this one, I'm probably gonna change. But let's see, background. We got gradients. Where are our gradients? We got warm day, DIY warm day. And that's exactly what we want, because we're gonna use that gradient. We'll probably, I might want to make some more gradients, but let's see what else we have here. We got the font sizes. It should be, let's see. So we have small, medium, large, extra large, and gigantic. Small, medium, large, extra large, and gigantic, which is double XL. And it should say gigantic there. Yeah, gigantic. So yeah, we got those there. So you guys could see that over here. We got these font sizes. And these should all be here under the typography filters as well. So let's go back over again. So here we got typography, we got font family, there's line height, drop cap, we got letter spacing, and text decoration is here. Okay, so yeah, all of them are here. We got pretty much everything we need. Like what you guys see here is basically all the styles are going to like basically take any element and wrap them in those styles on the page, and then we'll design the theme based on these styles, these global styles. We can add custom styles as well in the future, but right now we're just gonna stick with these global styles, and then in the next video we're gonna start building the theme. Would it be the next video? We'll see if it's the next video. It's definitely either the video coming tomorrow or the day after. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found some value in it. Hit that thumbs up button if you did. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.